Hi, my name is Nguyen or Swan Uribe, and this is my introduction video and why I think work is important. My name is Nguyen Uribe, but I go by the name of Swan. I am a full-time graduate student, not currently working in higher education, but over the summer I volunteered at Marymount University's Planning and Institutional Effectiveness Office. It was a continuation of my practicum in the springtime, also in that office. My academic background is in microbiology and biology, so I have a very soft spot for the sciences and technology. This is my last semester in the Masters of Higher Education Administration program with Sam Houston State, and I am very excited to see the light at the end of the tunnel. My particular areas of interest within higher education are more on the academic affairs side of education. I am a former academic advisor, graduate programs coordinator, and administrative manager, but I hope to return back to advising or get started in institutional research and assessments. I enjoy helping students in the advising capacity, but I also enjoy the solitude of behind-the-scenes work in assessments and data, so I'm open to any opportunities in these capacities. I think that work is important because it is a pillar of our society, its structure and organization, and ultimately it determines our society's success or failure. On the individual level, I think that work is a large part of our personal and social identity because it determines our family organization, our daily routines. It's a means for us to make money, to provide for ourselves and our families. It affects our physical health and our mental health, our confidence, our self-esteem, and our sense of self-worth. Work is a means for individuals to achieve their goals and possibly lead a meaningful life. On the societal level, I think that work is important because it organizes our society in ways for the members to exist safely and in community with each other, and it's important for social and economic development. Even though work is inseparable from the human experience, I think that there is flexibility to the idea of work. We can use it as a means to an end to fund our lifestyles, or as a contribution to society that gives our lives meaning and purpose. The pictures I had on the slide is a representation of work and the different positions that the individuals hold to create a final product. This was our annual mochi making tradition at New Year's when we lived in Japan, and mochi is a rice cake and you fill it with sweets. The men were responsible for gathering and chopping wood, cooking the rice on the wood stove, and then pounding the rice into mochi dough. The women, and sometimes the children, were responsible for rolling out the dough, filling it with suikezuki beans and strawberries, and pinching them close. At the end of all the work, we got to sit back and enjoy the fruits of our labor together.